Hi, Rashid, Kapadia here with the Eloquence tip on a Wednesday. Today it's not a tip, it's a recommendation to listen to a 10-minute TED Talk by Julian. How to speak so that people want to listen to you. It's an excellent talk, I'm familiar with it, but recently I was astonished to find it has been viewed more than 30 million times, making this the 6th most viewed TED Talk as of today. And that I find is extraordinary, especially since this is a no drama, no personal stories talk. It's just a content-driven talk which is beautifully delivered, very valuable. He starts off by telling us that our voice is an instrument, so think of it as an instrument and learn how to tweak it and polish this instrument. Then he breaks talk down to 4 segments, some don'ts, some do's, some features of the voice, and an exercise. The don'ts, he calls them the 7 sins. They apply for the spoken word as well as the written word. Don't gossip. Don't complain. Don't be negative. Don't judge. Don't exaggerate. Don't make excuses. Don't be dogmatic. I've put the list down. It's well worth looking at and listening to the details. He talks about a few do's. He sums it up with an acronym, H.A.I.L, H-A-I-L, honesty, authenticity, integrity, love. The more of this that is included in your speech or your written word, the more people want to listen to you or read what you've written. He gives us the toolbox: prosody, register, timbre, pace, pitch, volume. He talks a little bit about them, and then he gives us an exercise to warm up our voices. You cannot go wrong investing 10 minutes in listening to this outstanding and now very, very successful talk. It will serve you well. Good luck.